Let's start overhand. So as a reminder, as we step into the new year, earlobes over shoulders, over hips, over heels, right arm up, and we'll go forward for 12. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Using your hips to open. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so palm up, and here we go. So we'll pull out and hold, 2, 3, and release. And 2, out and hold, 2, 3, release. 3, out and hold, 2, 3, release. And 4, out, hold, 2, 3, release. And 5, out, hold, 2, 3, and release. And 6, out, hold, 2, 3, and release. And 7, out, hold, 2, 3, release. And last one, 8, out, hold, 2, 3, and release. Right arm up, we're gonna go backwards first, and here we go. 1 and 2, strong core, and 4, head up, 5, 6, 7, breathing, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we're gonna reverse forward, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We're gonna start with the arms like this on the front, so they're closed, and you're gonna have your elbows together. And if you're like me, I'm doing it above my boobs. Okay, so then we're gonna come back, and then 2, 3, 4, and then close in the front all the way, and then come back, 2, 3, and 4, close in the front, and back, 2, 3, 4, and close in the front, and back, 2, 3, 4, and close in the front, back, 2, 3, 4, and close in the front, back, 2, 3, 4, and 3 more sets, close in the front, back, 2, 3, and 4, close in the front, and back, 2, 3, 4, and close in the front, and back, 2, 3, 4, and close and down. We'll go forward for 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right arm up and forward for 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and reverse, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.